Hey, good day everybody. I've got this Cub Cadet tire here I pulled off. I've already got a new one installed. I'm gonna try to save this one for my spare, and this is the original one that came off the Cub Cadet mower. It's totally flat, but the tire still looks good. It's a little dirty, still looks good to me. There's no nails in it or anything like that. So I'm gonna try to repair it with this slime here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the top off of that and then pull the core out of this. You take the top off of that thing right there, put it over that, and then just remove the core of the tube. There we go. They just thread right on out. This is kind of the same thing for all the tubes that you use this slime for. So there's the core right there. So we'll set that aside. Now we'll go ahead and, I already shook the slime up. It says to shake it up real good. But now we'll go ahead and pop that in there. It comes with a tube, so you want to make sure you put the tube over that, and then the other side of the tube goes over the stem there. There we go. And we'll just give it a squeeze. I think that should do it. There we go. I'll just pull that off of there now. See, it's got the slime on there. And we'll go ahead and reinsert the core there, the valve core. Thread it back in there. Now we'll pump this baby back up, make sure it's nice and tight. There we go. Now we'll just go ahead and roll this around. Get that stuff spread out a little bit so we can find the leak. Well, that slime worked like a charm. Look at that. That is great. It's holding well. Oh, I'm so happy about that. These things are like 50 bucks a piece now, so good to have a working tire again. Well, it says to inflate this to 14 psi max. I'm at 22. Well, what I want to do, it's at 22. I want to make sure it's not leaking anymore, so I'll check it again in the morning. All right, tire fixed. Thanks for watching, everybody.